Look, this is a pandemic. We're living through something truly unprecedented right now. So we're all going to have stress, and to pretend that we can avoid stress certainly now is unrealistic. What we can do is we can cycle through stress, and so we may not be able to cycle through COVID-19 in a heartbeat, but um, but if we cycle through other stresses like exercise or like fasting or like temperature challenges or like any of the physical and environmental stresses that I talk about and promote in my work, if we cycle through those stresses, they do something very powerful for us. They allow us to better handle other stresses that come our way. In fact, the whole science of hormesis. Many of you may be hearing that term for the first time. Hormesis is the vernacular is what doesn't kill us makes us stronger, and there's profound science behind that meaning. And what some of the earliest work in this field has shown us that really, if you undergo a stress that's hormetic, meaning it's not a mental stress, but it's one of the physical or environmental ones that I mentioned. If it's appropriate and it's appropriate enough to engage us, but not too powerful where it damages us, it does two powerful things. It makes us better able to handle that stress in the future, but it also makes us better able to handle any stress that comes our way. So by even though we're locked up and even though we're at home, we can engage in certain stresses that make us more effective, or allow us to more effectively manage the chronic mental stresses. And that's the best recommendation I can give. And when you combine that with some of the other therapies like good foundational care and oxygen therapies, then you can really restore and rebuild the body so it can handle all kinds of stresses.